Hi everyone, in this lesson we continue our videos of stretches and reflections. So we're told the graph of f of x is shown to the right. So this is the graph of f of x. We're told to evaluate f of 2x when x is negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. And then we want to graph f of 2x. So the first thing, in order to graph f of 2x, let's create a table of values here. And let's do what the question says, and let's evaluate f of 2x for each of these x values. So this will be f of 2x. Well, let's see here. When x is equal to negative 2, what is the value of f of 2x? So f of I want to evaluate f of 2 when x is minus 2. So this is the same thing as evaluating f of minus 4, because 2 times negative 2 is minus 4. When x is equal to negative 2, f of 2x is f of negative 4. Evaluating f of negative 4, we get positive 4. That gives us a coordinate on the graph of f of 2x. So we can actually plot this point, negative 2 comma 4, which is this point right here. Next, we've got we can evaluate f of 2x when x is negative 1 by doing f of 2 times negative 1. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, so that f of 2 times negative 1 is the same thing as f of minus 2. F of minus 2 is 0. So when x is equal to minus 1, f of 2x is 0. So that gives us another coordinate on the graph of f of 2x. We have the coordinate negative 1 comma 0. Negative 1 comma 0 is this point here. Let's do the same thing for when x is 0. Well, when x is 0, f of 2 times 0 is equal to f of 0. F of 0 is equal to positive 3. So we have another point on our graph, 0, 3. 0, 3 is located right here. And let's do positive 1 and positive 2. So same thing, if I evaluate f of 2 times 1, f of 2 times 1 is the same thing as f of 2. F of 2 is just 1. If I evaluate f of 2 times 2, that's the same thing as evaluating f of 4. F of 4 is negative 2. So I get 2 more points on the graph of f of 2x, 1 comma 1 and 2 comma negative 2, which is right here. And then let's plot all these points together and let's see if we notice anything. So how is the graph of f of 2x? So this is the graph of f of 2x. How is the graph of f of 2x related to the graph of f of x? Well, notice that when you look at the picture, we've essentially taken, to get the graph of f of 2x, we've essentially taken the graph of f of x and we've compressed it horizontally. So we've, multiplied all of our x values by a factor of a half. So when you multiply when you multiply by 2 inside of the brackets for f of x, well, that's a compression, that's a horizontal compression by a factor of 1/2. We're compressing the graph horizontally. In the next video, we'll continue our investigation and we'll look at the graph of f of x over 2.